that's what you're worried about, then
It's ready na, guys.
It's a pop top.
Rusty. So ayan mga ka-Bem Fam, happy New Year. So ilang oras na lang, happy New Year. So ayan, mamaya update ko kayo sa aking Buko Panda. Nilagay ko muna sa ref at saka yung mga bata very excited for the... Are you excited for the? Buko Pandan! Buko Pandan. So dati si Darius ayaw niya ng Buko Pandan. Ngayon gusto na niya ng Buko Pandan. At sa si Mickey mahilig din sa Buko Pandan. So ngayon mga ka-Bem Fam, samahan niyo kami ni Mr. We're going to buy again a cake for our New Year. So alam niyo na yun kung saan tayo pupunta. So I will show you again mamaya. So yan, nandito na yung ano natin, yung van, tsaka yung sasakyan kasi yeah. She put there, yeah? I don't get, yeah. So yun nga sabi ko sa inyo mga ka-Bem Fam, ready na yung ating caravan, ayan. Kasi after ng ating trip, after ng New Year, yun nga. So, ayan, we're going. Ay, na si Daddy, saglit lang ka-Bem Fam. Dito na si Mr. So, ma-update ko kayo mamaya dun sa cake shop. I don't know which one. Dami kasi cake dito, guys.
and two axes and all. The light one.
So dito na pala tayo dito sa cake shop, yung perpetual, guys. Ayan, dami tao.
The vanilla one, yeah.
Ito yung ano niya dito. Ice cream cake. Which one you choose?
That one there?
Ah, this one?
Yeah.
How much that one? 65? 65 yan, guys. Try natin to, guys, cannoli. Sweet.
No, okay.
Cannoli daw eh.
How do you like it?
Yeah. I like the yellow one.
Custard.
This one. Good for me. Yeah, custard. Kain muna tayo, guys.
Every morning's a brand new start. Simple moments straight from the heart. Parenting, laughter, lessons we share. In every season, love's always there.
Different places, but one story flows.
Thank you, Tam. Get si Daddy Cal. Give Daddy. We need to put this one in the fridge so that later on it's be cold. It is nice when it's cold. So, and then my Buko Pandan today. Ayan. Tapos na pala tayo gumawa kanina ng ating Buko Pandan. So ayan, nag-barbecue pala si Mr. guys. Ito yung ano namin. Ito yung ano namin ba? Tawag ito? New Year celebration. Ayan. So mahilig kasi sila dito sa sausage. Wala silang mga ano dito. Hindi ba sa atin mga barbecue, pork barbecue, ribs, ayan, chicken wings. Sa atin yan, mga ano na yan, mga pork barbecue. Dito ano lang sila, mga sausage. Mahilig sila sa sausage, guys. Ayan. Titingin. Tapos, ayan. Partial muna to kasi mamaya marami pa tayong mga pagkain. Ayan, mango! Ayan, salad. Chips. So, ito yung view natin, guys. Oh, cake for batcha. Pwede yan. Pwede. Where to put this one?
No, put it in the middle. Put it.
In the middle?
No, because it'll fall through. Put it in the middle of one of the table like that, somewhere.
Here na. Here.
Yeah, that's it. I'll put it up because here. It'll
Yeah,
fall.
lagi yan. Ano.
There you go. This one here.
Cake, guys. Ito yung binili natin kanina. Cake. So ano pa naman? What time is it? 8 o'clock? I think 8 o'clock. Ano? Nearly 8 o'clock ng
Put that
gabi.
down. Put it
Mga
down.
bata dito naglalaro ng
Put it where you
trampoline.
got it.
Rusty! Come on, Rusty! Cool na dito, guys. Rusty! Come on! Dito si Rusty, guys. Say Happy New Year, everybody! Say Happy New Year! Ay! Look!
Wish you a Merry
Look, ah.
Christmas. We
Guys,
wish you
oh.
a Merry
Handsome si Rusty, guys, oh. Handsome. Handsome, Rusty, guys. Sige, sweet. Yung mga bata naglalaro ng trampoline, guys. Rusty!
I'm not playing. I'm not playing for my life.
So, mamaya na naman ka, Ben Fam, yung ano natin. Check natin yung labas natin kung meron na bang lights. Adam, say Happy New Year to everybody.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year na, guys. Great na si Adam ng Happy New Year kasi mamaya busy na. So, ito yung New Year dito, guys. Ano lang, simple lang talaga. Parang ordinary day lang. Kasi, tawag dito, basta ganito lang, di ba? Kasi sa Pilipinas, di ba, marami ng mga naglalabasan mga tao dito, guys. Ano lang, walang tao talaga. Pero kasi nung Christmas, ordinary day lang, wala lang. Pero sa amin, traditional na talaga namin na ganito. So yung karaban natin, ready na, guys. So yan, narinig niyo ba yan? Fireworks. Yan. So maganda mamaya doon. Ngayon na, start na doon sa Sydney. Start na doon sa Sydney Harbor. Kaya hindi na kami pumunta doon, guys. Daming tao. So we celebrate in the house and safe. Yan, 'di ba? Parang walang New Year dito, guys. Ang tahimik. Tingnan yung mga tao, guys. Nag-celebrate yan ng iba ng New Year, kaya lang tawag nito, nasa loob sila. Ayan. So very quiet, guys. Oh. Daming sasakyan, nagsi-celebrate yan sila. Ayan. So, yun yung New Year dito, guys. Diba? So, mamaya, maraming mga fireworks na maririnig natin. So, napakatahimik talaga dito sa ibang bansa. Dito sa Australia. Ayan. Sobrang tahimik. Pero nagsiselebrate yung iba ng ng tawag nito. Yan. Nagsiselebrate yan sila ng New Year. So, iba talaga sa Pinas kaysa Australia. Doon kami sa likod, sa backyard. Noong nag-Christmas din, doon tayo sa backyard. So yun lang, pinapakita ko lang sa inyo yung labas. Kasi yun nga sabi ko sa inyo, napaka talaga dito. Ganito yung New Year nila dito. Christmas sa Australia, napakatahimik. Yan lang. So wait lang ka, Ben Fam, ha.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Ayan, malapit na, guys. 11, time check, 11:44. So, malapit na ang New Year. Goodbye 2025. Welcome 2026 soon. So, hintayin muna natin yan, yung countdown. Ayan. So, 11:45. Time check, 11:45. Ayan. Hintay-hintay muna natin saglit. Dami na mga fireworks dito.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy
Happy New Year!
Why do you do that?
Ay, no internet. Pangit.
Black Wi-Fi. Where's the
Yeah.
Momo? Without what's your name? Zaman? Without Wi-Fi. Turn off Wi-Fi. You understand that, right?
Aha.
Turn your Wi-Fi off.
Close man.
No.
Ayan, alright everyone. How many minutes? 5 minutes guys. And
Ay, mami chas.
5 minutes na lang guys. Yan, ano na tayo guys. Hindi tayo makalive, wala tayong internet. Internet guys.
Guys, don't do that. Get out of the way.
Na, countdown everybody. Alright everyone, countdown. 5 minutes. 5 minutes, 5 minutes. Ready na. Ready na ating wine.
That's for you.
Ha?
You have to finish it.
Oh, look guys! Guys! Wow! See, hindi pa yan nagtulok-lak. Lucas, you fall over son. Sit down. Guys. How many minutes? 4 minutes! 4 minutes, guys! Are you ready, guys?
4 minutes. 4 minutes.
4 minutes!
For what?
New Year! Lucas, you pull over, son, ha? Where's si Rusty? Rusty! Come here, Rusty! Dito si Rusty, guys. Rusty! Rusty!
Not there yet.
Rusty! Where's si Rusty? Rusty! Adam, where's Rusty, son?
Bobby wants his car.
Can you get sa si Rusty? Wow! Not yet pa? How many? 2 minutes? 2 minutes! 11:58. 1 minute? 1 minute na lang, guys! Ay, 1 minute! Yay! That's it! Yan, narinig yun na, guys! Ito kami, guys! Ready na! Hala! Ready!
of life here at BenFam, our love is the same. Here at BenFam, the world knows our name.
Waiting! Waiting for our countdown, guys!
Ready? 1, 2,
12 o'clock na, di! 12 o'clock na! Happy New Year! Happy New Year! Happy New Year, Matcha! Guys, Happy New Year! Happy New Year! Happy New Year! Guys! Long guys! Happy New Year, son! Happy New Year! Oh my God! Ah! Happy New Year! Lucas! Lucas! Happy Uncle! Lucas! Happy New Year! Ada, Mike! Happy New Year! Come on, guys! Happy New Year! Ah! Ah! Wow!
on the hill.
Oh my God! A lot of fireworks today. Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God! Happy New Year, guys! Oh! Wow! Thank you, Lord! The 2025! Big 2026! Oh my God! A lot today! Oh, plenty today, yeah? A lot! Plenty today! Oh my God!
Corner here, Dave. You're not.
Oh, Tom, come on! A lot of fireworks 2026! Fantastic! Rusty! Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God, guys! A lot! A lot! Oh! In Sydney, guys. Yeah! A lot of fireworks today. Yeah. Happy New Year, Australia! Yan, 2026 na, guys. Happy New Year, Rusty! Si Adam, what happened to you, Adam? Adam! Adam, what happened? Oh, wow! I will get my phone, I will get my phone. Na. Good
Good
morning.
morning.
Happy New Year.
Hi, New Year.
Happy
Happy
New Year.
Year.
Ah. Good morning. Oh yeah, I spoke early. Ayan, good morning everybody. Rusty, come on. Ayan, good morning. So last night pala ka Bemfam, hindi na tayo nakapag-update, hindi na tayo nakapag-good night sa inyo kasi yun nga, we're just enjoying time with my family here. So this is and the next day vlog, continuation of our vlog. So good morning everybody. Happy New Year. Sana happy yung New Year natin. So ayan, goodbye 2025 and welcome to 2026. Sana magiging okay ang ating daloy ng ating new bagong taon ng 2026. So mama, Happy New Year dyan sa Pilipinas and around the world, Happy New Year. At sa mga OFW na hindi nila kapiling yung pamilya nila, yung mga anak nila, alam ko po yung nararamdaman nyo. You do it for your family and time ka, magsasama din kayo. Basta ano lang, pray and work hard, not much work hard, just enjoy also your life because life is short. So ayan, ipapakita ko pala sa inyo ka Bemfam yung dito, after New Year dito sa Australia. Napaka ang makakarelate nito yung mga taong nasa ibang bansa, yung mga US, Dubai, New Zealand, Australia, Canada. Basta sa amin dito sa Australia, ganito talaga dito ka Bemfam. Kahapon nga, di ba, pinakita ko sa inyo yung New Year. Ayan. Sobrang tahimik na siya, guys. Ayan. Ayan. So, makikita nyo dito, maraming mga tao. Ay, no, love. Maraming sasakyan sa labas. No, love. Maraming sasakyan sa labas. Kaya lang, hindi mo makita yung mga tao dito. Hindi tulad sa atin sa Pinas na, di ba, daming tao. So, ganun talaga. Ayan. Rusty, good morning. Ayan si Rusty, guys. Ayan. No, son, may panty, son. Samok, So, ayan. Rusty, come on, Rusty. Say good morning. Rusty, ayan. Ayan, guys, good morning. So, isang tulog na lang at tayo aalis na ka Bemfam. Say good morning, oh. Good morning, Rusty. Happy New Year, everybody. So, ayan ka Bemfam. Good morning. So, hinintay ko muna si Mr. na magising. Kasi 12 o'clock na. Hindi pa rin si gumising. So yun nga pala yung mga bata gusto ng buko pandan, na addict na talaga sila sa aking buko pandan, guys. So yung aking biyanan also mahilig din sa buko pandan, pero yung aking mister konti lang. Tapos yung iba, the rest, hindi ayaw na talaga nila. So wag na nating pilitin yung ayaw. Ayan. So it's a miracle nga ka Bemfam kasi yung mga bata mahilig na sa tawag nito buko pandan. So yan, naka-ready na pala yung natin, yung sasakyan natin at saka yung caravan, kasi yun nga bukas yung alis natin, hinain natin yung busis para hindi marinig ng kapag dito kasambahay, guys. Ayan, ready na siya, guys. So nilagay na pala ni Mr. yung bisikleta ng mga bata, tapos yung scooter hindi ko na dinala, guys, kasi ang tawag dito, what happened, hindi ko na dinala yung scooter kasi hindi ko naman siya gaano magagamit dun sa park. Close yata to. Yeah, close. So, yan. Naka-ready na siya, guys. Rusty! At napaka-interesting kasi may isasama natin na member ng isang Bemfam. At which, may isasama natin, may surprise tayong, parang hindi na din surprise kasi nasabi na natin. First time ni Rusty na dadalhin natin si Rusty doon sa caravan park. And si Rusty, are you excited? Are you excited? Lucas, are you excited?
Yeah, I want to go on the park.
Are you excited to
Huh?
Excited also to bring Rusty?
A park?
Yes, in the
I want to
park.
go to a park.
Look after Rusty,
And
okay?
now. And now.
Tell to the guys where are we going?
Park.
Caravan Park.
Mama,
Tell to the guys
go
see you.
park.
Yeah, tell the guys see you.
see you.
Sige, we go to the brothers. No, we go tomorrow.
Oh,
So, come on na, Rusty. Ayun nga. Ala, it's raining nga, love. So, iba na naman yung weather, guys.
Mommy.
Yan, umuulan na naman siya. So, ayan. My kids wants my buko pandan. Thumbs up. Ay.